So the sleep studies, I've seen some ads, people are offering sleep studies at home. I'm hoping under the supervision of a physician, but how do the sleep studies in the office or a sleep lab compare to the sleep studies at home? Is it a viable alternative? People can rely on that for acceptable results?
Yes, so home sleep studies are, or type 3 device, using type 3 devices or any other which is approved by American Academy of Sleep Medicine is a very fair alternative to doing a lab sleep study. The devices are very accurate. Some of the new proprietary devices actually can also stage the sleep. They can give us the stages. The main difference is we tend to do lab sleep studies in people who have advanced cardiovascular or pulmonary problems like advanced COPD, or they're already on oxygen for several reasons. The lab sleep study does have a technician available. So if there is a problem with their flows, the sensors are not working properly, they can be troubleshoot. Versus if you do a home sleep study, it is not as detailed as a lab sleep study. So certain patients, we do need lab sleep studies, but most of the patients currently who are screened for sleep apnea, they are good enough to be screened by home sleep tests. Those home sleep tests can give us most of the information,
And
except that it is not a test that is meant to rule out mild sleep apnea. So if your clinical suspicion is still high that person A has sleep apnea, but a home sleep study is negative, the story should not stop there. The story does not end there. You should do more investigation with the lab sleep test.